What's up? It's another beautiful morning in Coron, Palawan. Corey and I are heading to Black Island. We are psyched. It's a full day adventure. Join us. Here we go. What's up, everybody? Chad here. I am in Coron, Palawan, perhaps the most beautiful place I have ever been to. So the majority of travelers stay right here in town and they take the tours over to Coron Island to check out the amazing lagoons, limestone cliffs, the beaches, the reefs, all of it. But today we are escaping this touristy area and we are cruising directly across the island, this beautiful place filled with green meadows, rolling hills, with views everywhere, a pretty dreamy place for a motorbike ride. The destination, mystical, magical Black Island. A little bit off the beaten path, but well worth the trip. It's an exotic, lush green island with huge rugged cliffs, some of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen, caves, and so much more. So join us. We are just getting rolling. Check out these views. What a view. Just pulled over to take in this view for a minute. We just got on the highway, rolling along, smooth sailing. It's about an hour drive to where we're going to find a boat to get to Black Island. There's some waterfalls too. We'll see how it goes. I think we're gonna spend most of the day as long as we can on Black Island. It's got caves, amazing beaches, reef all the way around it. So I think that's gonna be our day. It's gonna be an adventure. Beautiful day, baby. So I have to say, on the way, it was hard to not take frequent stops just to take in the view, get some photos and video, and man, was it ever nice to get away from the crowd. All right, we decided to pull over. There's a waterfall somewhere around here, so we're gonna ask these people and see. Figured we'd catch it on the way in because we're gonna take a different route home. So this might be the time. Is there a waterfall down here? Yes, sir. Is it this way? Thank you. All right, 5-minute hike on a little offshoot, no sign. Pretty typical here. Just talk to people and make sure you're going the right way. But this is one of, I think, 3 waterfalls, at least on Google Maps. It shows 3 different waterfalls. I think this is one of the smaller ones, but we'll check it out. I'm up for any. I love waterfalls. Oh, hey buddy, good morning. Oh, interesting. This is all part of the fun, man. This is like a neighborhood.
Dude, I love the exploration.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're in someone's property here. Good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Oh, nice. Okay. Hey, what a nice little detour. Look at this. Oh wow, this is cool. Man, I'm on the fence on getting in though. I don't know. It's just a bit on the stagnant side. Like it's not a flowing. Where's this water going? Just creeping through here slowly. All right, we're sitting here analyzing this water. I just don't want to take a chance and get some sort of bacteria or a parasite. Or we're looking here and it's like gathering along the shoreline here. It's got some weird film. It's almost like an oily film. It looks a bit polluted, to be honest, where it's like stagnant. So I talked myself out of it. I was about to get in. I think I'm gonna go now. This is it. I think Corey's on the same page.
Oh, totally.
Yeah.
I was gonna throw Chad in.
I've gotten in a lot of swimming holes, a lot of waterfalls. I'm all about it, but this one just looks a little different, so gonna pass. Anyways, back to the bikes, down to get a boat. All right, we are minutes away from the port. Got a little hungry. Check this out, a little tuna sisig. So tuna, egg, and some hot peppers with some rice and some French press coffee. We were just talking about just how lucky we are to be doing this. Like, I feel like, oh my God, we're having a great day. All right, gonna chow down and then we're gonna make our way down to the port. So it took about an hour to get here. There is a checkpoint where you have to pay an environmental fee of $200. Keep that in mind when you're riding across, but easy peasy ride, beautiful ride. And we'll carry on, more to come. All right. This is where we get a boat.
In the island, we have an entrance fee, 200 per head.
Okay. All right, guys, so just got here. It's pretty straightforward. You show up, I got a sign here, 3,500 for up to 8 people. So for 2. And then there's another fee of 200 for the island. Okay, 200 per person. So 3,900 for the 2 of us, 2,000 each. 40 bucks each to get a boat out to Black Island for the day. Heck yeah. Dude, I'm good with that. I mean, I was good with whatever, but that just sounds unbelievable
You don't
to
go
me.
an hour and be like, oh, I ain't gonna pay that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Hello. You're so cute. Hi. All right, just getting geared up. So some things to think about, obviously. Bring a crap ton of water. But we rented gear, I did. Corey brought his. But back in the town of Coron, you can rent these for 150 each. So 150 for the mask and snorkel and 150 for the fins. They might have them here in this side of the island too, but it was convenient, 24 hours, bring them back later today. Some water shoes, sun hat, and we got like peanuts. So basically peanuts, water, and everything, we're good to go. Okay, just found out they do rent them here. So I wasn't sure, so I got them ahead of time, but if you come here, they have them here. Same price, 150. We meet a captain or a boat. Oh, all right, that's our captain. Perfect. What's your name?
Lito.
Lito?
Yes.
All right, I'm Chad.
Yes.
This is Corey.
Corey.
Okay.
We're excited.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, hey guys, another thing when you're snorkeling here, I didn't know this, you probably do. Dish soap or toothpaste, you rub it on the glass inside to prevent fogging. Just smother it on and then rinse it off in the water. Put your goggles on right after that. We didn't bring anything, but our captain has got toothpaste. We've been
Non-whitening toothpaste.
non-whitening. That makes the difference. We've been using dish soap. It works amazing. So this will be our first time to try toothpaste, because we're gonna do a lot of snorkeling today. That's the plan. Beautiful day. Look at that. Pretty clear skies, calm water. Oh my God, I'm psyched. Shit. Man, that was like super smooth. No haggle, no hassle. Town proper of Coron, where all the tours are and stuff. You go down to the water like yesterday and they're coming up to you and you're trying to negotiate, and there's a bunch of different guys to choose from to take a boat out for a private tour. This was very different. It's a booth, it's a set price. They line you up with a captain and off you go. I mean, that took no time. All right, 30 minutes out, we can now see the tip of Black Island. Spotted it right there. Man, I've been eyeing this island for a long time now. Kind of a surreal feeling to finally be here, just staring at it. Almost there. I mean, it is rugged looking. And I know this video is not doing it justice, just how high this island is. This jagged rocky peaks. So beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Wow. We finally made it, baby. Is this real? The sand is like powder. What the heck? It's ridiculously nice. All right. I like it. So we dropped our things off and we went straight for the water. Wanted to go for a swim, check out the reef. It was unbelievable. Crystal clear water. Checked out some really cool clams. There was a nice variety of fish and reef. I actually didn't get a ton of footage of the snorkeling, but just to give you a little taste, I kept popping my head up above the water just to enjoy the backdrop. I just couldn't believe the beauty of this island. So from there, we took a little stroll to check out these caves that we kept hearing about. Wow. Huge rock face. I'm wondering if this is limestone as well. It's gonna get dark in here. Whoa, shoulder smash. Let's stand up. Yeah, this is unbelievable. So we were really quite impressed with this cave system. It was unreal. The textures of the walls, the unique rock formations everywhere. And most surprising was just how massive this cave system was. It went way, way back there, pitch black. Good thing Corey had a flashlight. Right when I thought we were as far back as we could go, Corey had discovered this tunnel that takes you to another area of the cave, so we had to check it out. I thought it ended right here. Whoa. Oh my God. Dude, it connects with the other one. So we were in full on explore mode at this point, absolutely loving it. As I was heading towards the exit, Corey found another hidden tunnel, although this one was a little too adventurous to explore. So we made our way out and over to the last cave to check out. So I have to say, having these caves on the island just adds this unique dynamic to coming out to Black Island. Not only do you have this exotic looking, rugged, awesome tropical island with beautiful beaches and reef, but to be able to explore inland and go underground and check all this out, really, really cool. So this last cave that we're checking out, very different than the other ones. It has a couple of crystal clear pools, one of which is tiny but really deep. We didn't know about it, but you can jump into this hole right here and swim, clear water. And then this back end of the cave, it's got this big waterway too that we checked out. Had some fun with the echoes and awesome, awesome experience. All right, we have made it to the far end of kind of the main beach, the biggest beach. If you look at photos, you can kind of see there's a few, and this is the big one. Really interesting rock formations. We're gonna see how far we can go and just wander. I guess it's kind of tide dependent, but right now, looking pretty good. We're gonna explore these rocks. Oh yeah. How cool is this, dude? I gotta say, I love this kind of thing. Just getting away from the main area, exploring the island by foot, just cruising along this rugged coastline. It was so beautiful. The unique rock outcroppings everywhere, beautiful beaches mixed in between, beautiful crystal clear water on an unbelievable day. I mean, look, Corey is working on the perfect profile photo. Can you ask for a better place to get that? All right, we both agreed. We want to just keep going along this beach until we can't go any further. We got a little under 2 hours before we have to go. And I feel like we've done all the snorkeling we want. I'm kind of getting into this beach exploring time. It's just such a unique beach. Look at this. Guys, might be a good spot to take your lady. Corey and I are not at that stage, spooning on the beach, but I can imagine being here with someone. So consider that an option for you if you come here. Show Black Island some love. I love this place. I'm gonna just hug it. I just gave Black Island a hug. Spectacular. That's it, that's all she wrote. We're gonna make our way back, relax on the beach for a little bit, and then we just have a ride home. Man, what a day. What a spectacular place. Just to think this is one of so many islands. Just in Palawan alone, there's so much. But Black Island did not disappoint. Black Island will miss you. Unbelievable experience. Freaking amazing, guys. It's a must visit if you come to Coron or Palawan. Oh yeah. Another amazing day in the Philippines. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you liked that one. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit everything. Just start hitting stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.